If you want to capture live motion photos on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video, I will show you how you can do that. Now, the live motion photo feature is not available by default in the camera app. But if you want to get this feature on your tablet, just open the Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then install this app on your tablet. And once this app is fully downloaded, then tap on Open. Now, after you open this app, you'll see this interface. Now just tap on the X icon over here. Now, as you can see, this is the UI of the phone's app. Now just tap on the three dots over here. And over here, you will find the settings of the phone's app. Now to enable live motion photos, just enable this toggle from here. After you enable this toggle, you will be able to capture live photos using this app. And also, if you want to disable the border effects, you can disable it from here. Now after you do that, you will be able to capture live motion photos using the phone's app, just like that. Now let's capture a live motion photo. As you can see, this is a live motion photo which we have captured. Now you can view this live motion photo using the Google Photos app. If it is not pre-installed on your tablet, you can install it from the Google Play Store. But as you can see, this app is pre-installed on my tablet. Just open Google Photos. Now in the Photos section, you will find the live motion photo which we have captured. Just like that. And this is how you can capture live motion photos on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.